We are all set for a vacation to Hamburg. The time is now 12:45 in the midnight and we are waiting for a train to Stuttgart main train station. And we reached the Stuttgart main train station. Time is now 1:15 in the midnight. The station is almost empty and we have to wait for another 1 hour for our train to Hamburg.
Von 14 Minuten verlassen und erreichen unseren nächsten Halt Heidelberg Hauptbahnhof gegen 3:25 Uhr.
Time is now 7 am and we have already spent more than 4 hours in the train and travelled half the distance to Hamburg. We are going from Stuttgart to Hamburg, so we are almost going from one end of Germany to the other end. I booked the train tickets for this trip around end of last year itself when there was a campaign from Deutsche Bahn, the German trail service. In this campaign, Deutsche Bahn gave tickets as cheap as 17 euros per person in some cases. This is to promote travelling by train as all the trains in Deutsche Bahn run on clean energy. That is, all the trains run with electricity and this electricity is produced from renewable sources. So we are travelling with zero carbon footprint compared to buses or flights. The only problem in Deutsche Bahn though is it doesn't have any sleeper trains. So even in night, we have to sit for the whole journey. The Austrian Railways OBB has sleeper trains called night jets where we can even have a private room for ourselves with bed and shower. But of course it is way more costlier. The time is now 8:40 am and we are traveling at 200 km per hour speed. We will reach Hamburg in around 1.5 hours, so let me give you a train tour. We are now near the door and this is the entrance to the train. It is considerably spacious and when the train is full, you can see many people even sitting around here. And this is my coach for now. Each coach is separated with a glass door that automatically opens when you go near it. They have provided big trash cans at the entrance of each coach. Of course, the trash is sorted. We are in Germany, so this is the one for food waste and perishables. And next is the washroom. There are 2 washrooms on either side of each coach. It is pretty clean here, and I would say it is also considerably spacious. They have provided a small wash basin, a touch-controlled water tap, provisions for soap and hand sanitizer, tissue papers, and trash cans for tissue papers, and 2 huge mirrors. We are going into our coach now. My coach is a silent coach, so as much as possible, no talking in the phone or chatting with fellow passengers. This is so that the one who prefer to sleep or read in silence can opt this coach. The train is almost empty today. This is the space for luggage. and we have comfortable large seats. The headrests are height adjustable. They also have seat layout with tables. Since the train is empty today, we can take any seat as we like. If the seat is reserved, then we can see it on the side of the seat. And when there is nothing on the display, it means the seat is free. We once took a train which was fully booked and had to change seats throughout the journey and finally ended up in the train restaurant. From then on, we make sure to always book the seats no matter what the expected demand is. There is also an onboard restaurant in ICE trains, which is usually not present in other types of German trains. This restaurant serves coffee, beer, water, some sandwiches, chocolates and croissants. It is still early morning and it doesn't seem to have any sandwiches, so we are going to have coffee now. Finally, after 8 long hours of journey, we have reached Hamburg. I am really impressed with the first look of Hamburg. The train station is really huge. One of the really helpful infrastructure I find in most German and Austrian train stations is the possibility to store our luggage in lockers for a minimal price. We are going to store our luggages now and go on a city tour. There are lockers in different sizes. The one we chose can fit 2 backpacks and 1 cabin-sized suitcase. And it costs only €2.